Let's learn AWS. Today, I will show you how to write files in AWS S3 bucket using Java Lambdas. S3 is Amazon's simple storage service. Amazon S3 has a simple web service interface that you can use to store and retrieve any amount of data at any time from anywhere on the web. Create a bucket by providing bucket name and letting all other settings remain as default. I will reuse an existing project from my GitHub repository for today's demo. Link in description. Create a new Java class as shown. This Java class accepts integer as input from REST API and calculates the square of the input. This is in continuation of my previous video on AWS, which returned the square of a number when you invoke it via REST API. Today's video writes some information to a S3 bucket in addition to the last video. Link in description. If you see this error, it indicates that you are using classes from AWS Java SDK S3, which is not provided to you when you use lambdas by default. You have to upload dependencies along with your initial jar file. I have used this Maven plugin to create a fat jar for me with all dependencies. I simply run Maven package and get the jar file with all dependencies included. If you see this message, it indicates that an attempt was made to access AWS S3 bucket by Lambda and that S3 bucket exists. But your Lambda does not have access to S3. Grant access and try again. Use roles and attach S3 write access. Lambdas have no access by default. You have to grant access whenever necessary. When all access issues are resolved, you will see a log saying our content is written to S3. We provided 2 as input and we got back 4 as output. Verify that the file exists using S3 Explorer window. You can download this file to your machine or you can view its contents on browser. Let me know in comments if you know a method of how to upload S3 file with Java lambdas without using a fat jar.